Hello, good morning, students. I am R. N. Jha from Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan Darbhanga. Today, I am going to teach you physics of class 9. It is the first chapter, that is motion. The topic for today is numerical problems related to distance and displacement. Dear students, in the previous video, we learned about distance and displacement. To make it more clear, here some numerical problems are taken. They are also the examples. The question is given, it is first question. A car goes 3 kilometer due east and then 4 kilometer due north. Find the distance and displacement traveled by the car. Dear students, in the question it is given car goes 3 kilometers due east, means the car goes 3 kilometer in straight way towards east direction. Then 4 kilometer due north. After that the car travels 4 kilometer distance in north direction in a straight way, means 3 kilometer towards east, that is in straight way, 4 kilometer towards north, that is in a straight way, means these two are in a straight way, means they make right angle with each other, means one among them is perpendicular and one is base, means they are perpendicular to each other. Now the question says to find the distance and displacement. Here solution, the distance traveled by the car. What is the distance traveled by the car? That is, since the car starts from O, that is the initial point, then it goes towards east, means O to A, that is 3 kilometer. After that the car goes from A to B, that is 4 kilometer. Therefore the distance traveled by the car is OA plus AB. OA is 3 kilometers plus AB is 4 kilometer. Sum them, that is equal to 7 kilometer. Means the distance traveled by the car is 7 kilometer. Now we have to find its displacement. Now from the figure you may see O to A, then A to B. Is it the shortest path? No. Shortest path is not OA, then A to B. Shortest path here from O to B is OB. And from the definition of displacement, you know that is the shortest distance. In the figure, OB is the shortest distance. Therefore, OB, that is the displacement. To find out OB, now just think OAB, it is a right triangle. Because OA and AB, these two are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, OB, it is hypotenuse. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Use that. From that, we get OB, that is the displacement traveled by the car, is equal to root over OA square plus AB square. OA, that is 3 kilometer, its square, plus AB, that is 4 kilometer, its whole square. 3 kilometer, its square is 9 kilometer square, plus 4 kilometer, its square is 16 kilometer square. Sum them, that is equal to 25 kilometer square. Now its square root is 5 kilometer. Means the displacement traveled by the car, that is 5 kilometer, while the distance traveled by the car, that is 7 kilometer. Second question, it is given a boy runs on a circular track of radius r unit and finally reaches to the starting point. Find the distance and displacement traveled by him. Dear students, the track is circular. The track is circular whose radius is r, and from question it is given the boy comes finally on that position from where he starts running. Now in this situation, the distance traveled by the boy, suppose in this figure, the boy starts running from point A and finally he comes back on A. What is the distance traveled by him? That is the circumference of this circular track. Therefore, the distance traveled by the boy, it is equal to circumference of the circular track. Now you know circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Use that. Therefore, it is equal to 2 pi r unit. That is the distance traveled by the boy on circular track. Now, displacement traveled by him. What displacement does he travel? In this, from the figure you may see, the boy starts running from point A and he comes back again on point A. Means the initial point is A and the final point is also A. Means initial and final, these 2 points are same. Therefore, the displacement traveled by the boy is 0 because the initial and final points, these are same. Therefore, the displacement traveled by the boy is 0, while the distance traveled by him is 2 pi r units. Dear students, from these questions, I think you may take advantage. These questions make you the topic to understand more clearly. Thank you. Thank you, dear students. We will meet in next video.